Know more. eNCA.com.
Bethuel Zuma was Gauteng's new police commissioner for just a few hours when it was revealed that he had ran into a roadblock in this Pietermaritzburg street in 2008. He fled the scene. Cops claimed he jumped the fence of this private property and was nabbed only 2 hours later. They believed he was over the legal alcohol limit, but by then it was too late to test him. When the case went to court, the magistrate found there was no evidence that Zuma had consumed alcohol or that his faculties were impaired. But he still lost his job. Another high-profile case saw flamboyant Durban businesswoman Shaun Mpesane hauled to court recently to face 119 fraud charges. She was accused of inflating suppliers' invoices by 4.7 million rand to try and cut her tax bill. The provincial NPA said it had a strong case, but dropped a bombshell last week, withdrawing all the charges. It felt the trial would have been unfair after the prosecutor had been accused of suppressing evidence.
So have state prosecutors bungled two high-profile cases, or has the law taken its course appropriately? It's a question we've put to the provincial NPA.
The NPA says it's not common for cases to be withdrawn.
You're not going to place every matter on the roll where there is insufficient evidence. We do hope that, of course, we're not going to have a situation where we have to stop the prosecution because there have been allegations against one of our own. And as I'm saying, this matter, in fact, was one of the most unprecedented that has ever taken place. So it's not something that happens on a daily basis.
The KwaZulu-Natal Law Society has weighed in on the matter. It believes the problem is more with police investigations than state prosecutors.
I think training of policemen, proper training of policemen on investigative techniques, on how to protect and preserve a crime scene. And with regard to the prosecuting authority is perhaps also training in litigation skills and in how to properly analyze evidence. So the preparation largely is not necessarily in the court itself.
Jeevan says a solution needs to be found quickly so that courts can function properly. Judith Simon, Durban.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com.